the flooding that you see in Texas, God is not happy with America. And I can say this because I remember in 2010 when Christians came out after the earthquake in Haiti saying that, oh, it's because voodoo, it's because God is not happy with Haiti. Let me tell you something, the wickedness that I see, there's so much racism now in this country, so much blatant racism. And let me tell you, so much blatant hatred in America. It's more vile and wicked than anything that could ever come from voodoo. But of course,